Hi everyone. Today I am participating in the International Fall Wreath Challenge hosted by 6 lovely ladies with terrific channels. They are Mom from Mom Das Life Handmade, Janny and Diane from Deco Easy, Pat from Style with Pat, Ruth from Kentucky Fried Fun, Michelle from Shell's Glam Home, and Kiki from Kiki DIYs. These ladies has asked us to create a fall wreath for our home. We have no budget, just have fun. And I will leave a link below to all their channels and also the playlist so that you can go over to their channel and watch the playlist and see all the creators and what they have came up with. And if you want to see what I have created, just stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to go over some of the items that I'm going to use to make this wreath with. Now, I'm not sure I'm going to use all of them, but I have it here just in case. And the first item I'm going to show you is this thankful and blessed sign that I found in my fall tub and from Dollar Tree. I believe this is one acorn, but I know I have another one somewhere. And so I forgot what you call these things, but I'll think of it. And then I have just one glue stick. I probably just need one, some floral wire, and I purchased another one of this thankful ribbon from Michaels. I didn't know that I already had this in the in my fall tub, so I have this, and it's probably enough to make another ribbon, but I didn't know that because I would have used that on the lanterns. And then I have my hot glue gun and a couple of these little pumpkins. I wish I could find another one like this, but I don't see any. And this is my wreath holder. It has a little bit of color discolored there, but I'm going to use this. It says blessings. I'm going to use that. I do have my bow maker here, but I'm probably going to do that off camera. My hand cramps up really bad on my fingers when I'm trying to do the bow by hand, so I probably am not going to use that. But leave me a comment below if you would like for me to show you how I use the bow maker. I'm not excellent on it, but I do a decent bow. So leave me a comment below if you would like to see a video on how I use that. And this wreath, I just purchased this from Michaels. I wanted this, it's like an off-white cream color grapevine wreath. So I have this from Michaels. And this was half price for $10. And then I found this sign downstairs, thankful, grateful, and truly blessed. I believe I'm going to use this sign. Seems like it goes pretty nice with the ribbon. So I believe I'm going to use this and not the other one. But I brought it here just in case. And then over here, these are some Dollar Tree flowers that I purchased. This is a white mum. And this one's called a dripping blooms. You can see that. It's called dripping blooms. So they like fall. So I got that in orange. And then I have another one of these in orange. And then I also have this one. What is this one called? Let's see if I could. Oh, it's a bittersweet. It's bittersweet. So I have that one. And I think I have another one. I'm not sure, but I should have another one. So these are the items that I'm going to use for this wreath. And might change it later, but this is to get me started. So I'm going to get started and show you how I'm putting it together. So what I am doing now, I am starting to cut all the flowers off. I'm cutting them at a long stem right now, but I will be cutting them at a shorter pace because I know I'm gonna use some glue on them. So I'm just cutting them all off, And I'm trying to place them and see where I might want to place the different colors. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm definitely gonna cut them a little bit shorter so I could glue them down. I'm just trying to see how I want them first. And I'm just placing them around the wreath to see exactly where I want it at this point. Now I see how I want it done. I have put a little piece of floral wire where I want my bow to be, because of the grapevine wreaths are sometimes they're not like shaped in the round shape, so you know, you get the best shape that you want. So I just placed that little point right there so I can tell where I would like my bow to be. So I'm just going to continue putting the flowers, and I'm using my glue gun, and I'm using the orange, and then I'm going to use white and go into that flow, and I'm just going to continue to put all the flowers on. And at this point, I'm using that thankful and grateful and blessed sign, and I forgot about my rug is thankful and grateful and blessed, and that's why I wanted to use this particular sign. So I'm trying to find out how I'm going to place it on. I wanted to put a staple gun on the back and put a string through the staple gun, but my stapler didn't open up that way that I had on hand, so I'm just gonna tie it to the back of it. So I tied it to the back of it using some floral wire to the string, and this is completed. And I took some acorns and put some acorns up there, put my bow on there, and I put a pumpkin in the middle of the bow, and that is my wreath. So at this time, I would like to thank Kiki from Kiki's DIY, and also Mom from Mom Does Life Handmade, and Pat from Star with Pat, and Janny and Diane from Deco Easy, and Michelle from Chell's Glam Home, and Ruth from Kentucky Fried Fun. Thank you, ladies, for hosting this collaboration. I really enjoyed it and had a lot of fun. And if you have not already done so and you would like to join the Deals with Lady P family, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell that you'll be notified of all the videos as they come out. Thanks again for watching. Be blessed, everyone, to be a blessing. Bye bye. See you all on the next video.